My name is Marbut, and over the last couple of months I've been working with the School of Business Administration to develop what's really turned out to be a tremendous multimedia production lab to support all the various online programs. I'm proud to say that we're finally production ready. So let me show you just a little bit about what we can do. So first, what is the studio? Of course, I'm not here where I appear to be. I'm actually here in the studio on the 4th floor of the University Center building. The equipment being used today to produce this spot include the green screen behind me, some lights around me that produce a really nice lighting setup. There's the camera, which is a nice pro-level camera that we got for this studio, and also a teleprompter. The teleprompter, of course, being used just to sort of guide me and show me my speaking points, not so much to give me a verbatim script. So what does all this do for me? In the most basic sense, the studio is going to allow you to migrate your live class experiences online. So I can be here like I am in a classroom as an instructor with, for example, a PowerPoint material or some other type of visual material like a video. The benefit of this modality of video is that you get to make eye contact with your students. They get your nonverbal cues. And in fact, this is actually pretty easy to produce. But there's a lot more that the studio can do for us. So the same equipment can be used to support a mobile shoot. That means you can take your students anywhere, like a virtual field trip. We're also able to produce interview sequences.
We're just really excited about the capability the Studio Production Lab is going to do for us.
Another thing you'll be able to do is to use computer graphics like PowerPoints to present like you would in a webinar, except asynchronous. Now really, as far as I'm concerned, I'd like to see some people just walking down the street and having a talk. It's easy to do. All I'm using is a smartphone. We can walk right down the street just like this and blend it right into a regular video presentation. Now, for those of you who are feeling low tech, let's bring in a whiteboard and let you draw whatever you need to draw to explain your material. There's really so much you'll be able to do here in the studio, and it's really remarkable that it's not too hard to do. The sequence you're watching right now, this video, was created 100% from scratch in an afternoon. You might be wondering whether it's really hard to edit a shoot like this, but it's really not. Let me show you how I do it. The first thing we'll do is we'll bring our video of the presenter right here onto the timeline. Just drop him on there. Now let's get an effect called a key, and that's what we use to take out the green. So we'll drag the key on there, and we'll give it a little bit of tweak to make it just perfect for our circumstances here. Now let's add a background. We'll bring some sort of place for our instructor to be into the video. And now let's just add a slide. Well, that's it. The studio is just going to give us a tremendous online teaching capability. I'm really excited to see what can be done in this studio and what you can create with it. Thank you.